Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain my experiment 3 in data visualization using Tableau. The title of this experiment is Identification of Dimensions and Measures within the dataset. The aim of this experiment is to classify data into dimensions and measures and apply different functions on them using Tableau. First I opened the Tableau, then I clicked on to connect the data. I selected my dataset. After loading data automatically, displayed the data fields. On the left side, I observed two sections, dimensions and measures. Dimension refers to the categorical fields and measures refers to the numerical fields. This is how Tableau initially classifies the data. Understanding dimensions and measures. I verified the fields like name, category, region shown as dimensions, fields like sales, profit and quantity shown as measures. If needed, I can also right click a field, convert it into dimension or measure manually. How I worked on dimensions. Next, I performed operations on dimensions. String functions. I created a calculated field, used functions like upper, lower to modify text. The steps I did was first I clicked to create a calculated field. I entered the formula and I clicked apply. And in logical functions, I used if conditions. For example, if region equal to south, then target area end. This helped me categorize the data. Date functions, I dragged the date field into the sheet, used year, month options from the Tableau. Custom grouping, I selected a dimension, right clicked, then create, then group. I combined categories manually, then combining the dimensions. I selected multiple fields. I right clicked, then I created the combined field. Hierarchies. Dragged one dimension onto another. I created hierarchy like region to state and state to city. This helped me drill down in visualization. How I worked on measures. Uh, Aggregation functions. I dragged the sales into rows and Tableau automatically applied some. I also changed it into average count using dropdown. Mathematical functions. I created calculated field, for example, profit ratio equal to profit divided by sales. Logical functions used if condition on measures. For example, if sales greater than 1000, then high, or else it's low, and then n. Statistical functions used functions like average, std, ev for analysis. Running total, I dragged measure to view, right clicked, quick table calculation and running total. Date analysis. Used date with sales, created trend line. LOD calculations. Created calculated field using fixed. For example, fixed region is to sum of sales. This calculates value at a specific level. Tasks and output. For each task, I took input dataset, applied functions step by step, generated output, charts and results. This helped me clearly understand practical usage of Tableau functions. Now I will explain the questions with answers that are asked in this experiment. What are the different types of functions available in Tableau for calculated fields? Dimensions are categorical fields used to segment and organize data, while measures are numerical fields used for calculations and aggregations. How do you use a generated field in a visualization? A generated field can be used as either continuous or discrete in a visualization. For example, sales amount can be used as a continuous field and number of orders can be used as a discrete field. Hence, I successfully classify dimensions and measures and apply different functions in Tableau. And that's all about this experiment. Thank you.